Welcome back to Max Ninjas.
Hi kids, in the previous classes we were dealing with whole numbers, that was in chapter 2 and exercise 2.2 section 3. Now we are going to deal with section 3. Here you have some problems, you have to calculate this. So before calculating this, you should understand in actual way if you are calculating means you should calculate 297 into 17. You should calculate that first. Then again you have to calculate 297 into 3 and you have to add those two numbers. If we are applying a formula here, the calculation will become so simple. So for that we studied two formula here. A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C, and again one more formula was there. A into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. Okay, for this, see, compare. See, you can see here A into B plus C, LHS, left hand side of this formula, and compare with the right hand side of the formula. Here you can see A and B and C are coming only one time. But here you can see B and C are coming once, but A is coming two times. See, A is coming two times. Here also, if you are taking 297 as A and 17 as B and 3 as C, present problem is similar to RHS of this formula. So we have to convert this RHS into the form of LHS. So we have to take out A. A is 297. See, A is 297 into A into B plus C. B is 17 plus C is 3. This is the RHS of this formula. We are converting this RHS into the form of LHS. Okay. So this will be equal to 297 into 17 plus 3 equal to 20. That means you can do one more thing here. 297 into, see, 20 you can do 10 into 2. If you want, you can apply associative property here. See, 297 into 2 into 10. This associative property will make your calculation much more easier. 297 into 2, answer is 594 into 10 equal to, just add one more 0 to 594. Okay, now we got the answer. Now coming back to the next problem, see, the number is 54,279 into 92 plus 8 into 54,279. Now this formula is in the form of A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. See, A into B plus A into C is just same as this. So 54,279 is our A and 92 is our B and 8 is our C, and again 54,279 is our A itself. So we know the LHS part of this formula, that is A into B plus C equal to A is 54,279 into B is 92 plus C is 8. 54,279 into 92 plus 8, we will get 100. So 54,279, just add 2 zeros. So we got the final answer. Okay. Now in this problem, 81,265 into 169 minus 81,265 into 69. See, you can see that here two numbers are repeating. That means our problem comes like this: A into B. See here subtraction sign, so we should take this formula: A into B minus A into C. This is the RHS side. So we have to find out the LHS. LHS is A into B minus C equal to 81,265 into B is 169 minus 69. Again this will be equal to 81,265 into 169 minus 69 again comes as 100. So our answer is 81,265 and just add 2 zeros. In this problem, you can see that 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. By seeing, you can't find out any A is common. So I am joining two numbers here. See, I am rewriting this problem like this: 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus 769. 25 I am splitting as 5 into 5 into 218. If we are multiplying these two numbers, that is 769 into 5, we can see what will happen. See, I am rewriting this problem like this: 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus, after multiplying this we will get the answer as 3,845 into 5 into 218. Now you can see 3,845 and here also 3,845. One more factor is there, 5 and 5. So you can take both the factors outside. You can consider these two numbers as A. So 3,845 into 5, that is common for both sides, into remaining factors are 782 plus here 280. So 3,845 into 5 into, adding these two numbers you will be getting 1000. Multiplying 3,845 into 5, you will be getting 19,225. Multiplying by 1000, you just add 3 zeros. So your final answer is ready. Okay. So I think you understood my class. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me through comment box. If you like my class, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Signing off, Femi Bijoy.